Holy poopola. I'm already at 35 minutes. It won't be 35 minutes for you, trust me. Why it takes me so long to get up a video because of all the editing I have to do with all the BS that comes out of my mouth. I'm easily distracted. What can I say? Hello, everybody. It's Cindy. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, thanks for joining me. Guess what I got in the mail today? Or technically yesterday, seeing as though it's 1 in the morning of the day that I'm filming this. I just really wanted to open this, and you know, I can't open it and not be on camera, so I gotta shoot this. My husband thinks I'm completely nuts, and I was like, well, don't worry about it, honey. I'll just do a quick touch-up. It'll just be a quick video. He looked at me and was like,
you do a quick video. That's cute.
I'm excited for this one. I know that I haven't been the biggest fan of the Allure beauty boxes in the past, but I'm really excited about this one because, oh yes. And you know how I feel about Huda Beauty. I pretty much have loved everything that I have tried from that brand. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that say, it's not that great, but like, I don't know. I really enjoy their eyeshadows that I've received. I've recently gotten a highlighter palette. Actually, I'm wearing it right now. And I love their liquid lip formulas, and I know we're getting a liquid lip in here, and it's a bright color that I love to wear. So I'm very excited for this one. I'm ready, you're ready, so let's go. Here we go. You'll get to see it before I do. Moment of truth. Oh, I see it right up on the top there. I see it right up on the top, and I'm gonna grab it. Okay, actually I should probably take out the insert first here. Ooh, it's a pink. It's a hot pink. Fun fact, since the inflatable furniture is coming back now, I figure I might as well say this. I used to have an inflatable chair back in the late 90s, exactly of this like pink, hot pink color. And it looked it was like clear hot pink. Now, who thought that that was a good idea for that to come back? I don't know, but I guess all of the 90s stuff, especially late 90s stuff, is coming back into style. Who knew? No kidding. Made in China? Really? Can't tell. Of course, this is all about Huda Kattan. All right. This is all stuff selected by her. Oh, wow. I didn't know Huda Kattan was from Oklahoma City. Girl had to dodge some tornadoes growing up, I'm guessing. Of course, she's in Dubai now. Dubai. And this is what happens at 1 in the morning. Can't focus. My husband was right. Jeez. Shh. Don't tell him he's right. Go to his head. As her makeup line, Huda Beauty has some seriously gorgeous false lashes and liquid lipsticks, both of which you are getting in your July Allure Beauty box, along with 4 other products personally selected by Kattan to help you continue your own beauty education. Oh wow, so we're getting 6 products this month? I decided not to cancel my Allure Beauty box just for this one item because I wanted this. A, it's a lipstick formula I love, and B, it is in a bright color that I love and that I've been wanting to find a good liquid lip that might last. I don't know if this will do that. I do know that I do enjoy all of the more nude shades that I've gotten of this, so it is called Alluring, and it is this nice bright red. Huda Beauty lives. Wow, they're really pulling out all the stops for this packaging here. Oh, that makes sense. Duh. It's a crossover. She did it for Allure, so that's why it's called Alluring. That is that bright orangey red, or like almost like coral red. That looks so darn good on me. I think there are a lot of people who said that they don't like this formula, but I love it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels. It's just a really magnificent formula. It's like I pricked my finger. Ooh, well, you actually have to be monetized to get demonetized, so I doubt that this is going to get demonetized. I am incredibly excited for this. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh wow, look at this. I'm gonna have to show you the inside of the box. Now I know this brand. I've gotten this brand a few times. It's the Tony Moly. Ooh, my. That really shines on there. It is the Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24K Snail Hydrogel Mask. That's a lot on there. Of course, most of it is in Korean. Gold added Snail Hydrogel Mask helps elasticity and vitalize skin. Snail secretion filtrate. Ew. 10,000 ppm. Wow. This highly moisturizing hydrogel mask provides upgraded skincare effects in terms of moisture, elasticity, and nourishment with gold-added ingredients such as snail secretion filtrate, ginseng callus extract, and EGF. I'm not sure what EGF is. I should probably educate myself. I don't know if that's going to happen. So there is one sheet in here. There is actual gold in this. There's a real benefit to snail mucin, which is a popular Korean beauty skincare ingredient. Apparently, it's a complex mix of peptides, antioxidants, glycosaminoglycans, I hope I got that right, hyaluronic acid, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese. All right, so helps to soften lines, calm inflammation, and promote collagen production over time. All right, so the retail value of that is $10. I am always down to try a very nice fancy sheet mask. So, and I have enjoyed Tony Moly's products in the past. Go ahead and get them out of the way. These look like absolute tarantulas. All right, so yes, I did get some Huda Beauty lashes, and it is in Samantha number 7. And if you look at them, not only are they ridiculously full and long, but they also have like these little, like, they come out flyaway. I don't even know how to show this. We're crying out loud. It's like you're putting a feather boa on the end of your eyes or something. There's no way. So maybe I can find somebody who might enjoy this more. I don't know. Maybe I'll hold on to it. I could put this on and show you just how ridiculous it's gonna look. This is nice. Now this is nice because this does not come with most lashes that I've tried. She has like a little step-by-step guide for you. Although I'll tell you, I have watched multiple videos on this. I still can't make this work. And even when I do make it work, because of my partially hooded lids, it looks ridiculous. Oh Lord, they are making me work for this. Just to show you how ridiculous this is gonna look on me. Now granted, you're supposed to measure it, and I know I'm supposed to do this with tweezers and all that BS, right? There's a little bit of tackiness to this. I don't know if I were to measure this properly, okay? Do you see how ridiculous that looks? Oh crap, it actually kind of looks good. But in real life, this would look ridiculous, right? Am I right? Please do not prove myself wrong on this camera right now. Do you see this? Do you see this tarantula on my eye right here? Look like Janice. I look like Janice from the Muppets. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, I've got to admit, on camera it looks kind of good. I mean, obviously this part doesn't because you have to measure it to the eye. Maybe I should try it. I don't know. Really don't like wearing eyelashes just because they irritate my eyes so much. I had styes after wearing them just because it blocks the glands there. It causes my dry eye to really go crazy. It's usually not a very good thing when me and eyelashes combine. Maybe I'll try those eyelashes after all, but I definitely will not be wearing them into an office environment. I look ridiculous. Maybe just for funsies on the weekend, right? All right, moving onward. I've got a scent here by K. Ellie. It's a very small sample, and it says vanilla number 28. Okay, so this is a Huda Katan brand as well because she launched this with her sister. Blend of tonka and brown sugar is also balanced by amber, vanilla orchid, and musk that gives it just enough edge. I love amber scents. Wow. Okay, so this is also super expensive. So for 50 milliliters it is $65 and $118 for 100 milliliters. Oh, this smells good. I can tell that this scent's gonna be right up my alley here. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, every tone on that. 2 hours later. I'm gonna have to probably try this. It's got like this nice floral scent, but then you have like the amber with it, which is just, oh, to die for. Okay, stop. You have to stop. Reminds me of this scent, but actually even better. One of my favorite scents that I wore like years ago was the Estee Lauder Youth Dew Amber. I'm trying to think of something else because it is very reminiscent of something else to me, and I can't quite place the scent, but I'll probably think about it in the middle of the night and be like, that's not the time to be turning on a recorder. It just isn't. Okay, so these other 2 items, let's go ahead and get this one out of the way. So I've got the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0. Formula is creamy, so there's no skipping or tugging, and it leaves behind a fully pigmented line that's easy to blend. Plus the color stays on all day. How many eyeliner pencils can I have? I'm not going through the ones that I have currently. Yeah, here we go. It looks like a very silky liner. Maybe it stays on well, I don't know, but it's just another black eyeliner, and granted it's Urban Decay, but I would have been much happier to try one of these other ones. The Benefit Brow Gel. Actually, this is the one that I probably would have wanted the most, but oh well. And we probably would have gotten a sample that was like a drop, and then wouldn't have really been worth it to us. So maybe it's good that I had an eyeliner pencil. The retail price of this is $22, which I don't know who the heck pays this kind of money for this, but I've done it for a Stila gel eyeliner pen, but that's because that's like still to this day probably the best eyeliner pen I have ever used. Final product I have in here, it's the Owie. Is this Owie or Wowie? Yowie? Owie? I'm just gonna go with Owie. Like, or could it be Way? Could it be Way? Is it Way? I don't know. I'm gonna go with Owie. Y'all can, make fun of me in the comments. I can take it. Owie Texturizing Hairspray. This formula gave me pretty, soft volume all over. Find my hair's natural wave. Ooh, that sounds good. Now let's take a look at the ingredients on here. Gosh darn it. There we go. Almost down. I almost made it through the entire thing, and then it says dimethicone. About halfway through. Although there is a whole bunch of other things first, so I wonder if it would be okay just because it's further down in the ingredient list. I might end up violating my rule here. Ooh, that smells nice. Oh, that smells really nice. I'll be doing this at 1, probably now 2 in the morning. Look at my mane now. That smells really nice. Oh, do you think it really helped zizz up my hair at all? Probably look ridiculously poofy now. I'm beginning to wonder if there's any hairspray that doesn't use some sort of dimethicone. It smells really nice even though it's got dimethicone in it, so I don't know. What do I do, guys? Do I put silicones on my hair and risk having it turn into a nice greasy nasty mess again? Full size product of that would be $26. This made the entire box for me, and let me tell you something, I am totally digging this perfume. This might be something I actually consider buying. And then I've got the sheet mask here. So you know what, we got 6 products. Might try out the eyelashes. I'm gonna put the eyelashes as a these are like definitely pumped about getting. So this lipstick, the scent, and that. So 3 out of 6 ain't bad. Would have I would have gladly paid the $15 just to get this and this. I mean, so I've already gotten the price, the bag for me. And then this is just like gravy. I'm kind of intrigued and excited about this. Like, this bag is probably the bag that I've enjoyed the most so far from Allure. And honestly, I was very close to just canceling. This box was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. This has probably been the one that I like the most. Well, that's all, folks. I've been chatting here a long time, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to subscribe and you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like. You can feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you are watching this. Thank you so much for joining.